Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ruchi Grover. I am founder of this company called OXYCOATS, and in OXYCOATS we manufacture anti-corrosion coatings for air conditioners, all types of air conditioners, whether it is commercial or residential AC. So as you know that in areas where there is a high saline environment or coastal area around, there is issue of fins, gas leakages from aluminium fins. So we have products which you can coat on aluminium fins and prevent the gas leakages from this area and increase the life of the coil. Similarly, in area like Delhi NCR and in regions Gujarat where there is lots of sulfur emission in the environment and the coil get leaks from the copper U-bends and joints. So we have products to be applied on copper U-bends and joints, again to prolong the life of a coil, and the life extends up to 2 years if you apply these coatings on an HVAC exchanger, and you can prevent the expensive refrigerants to be escaped in the environment. Also by coating these coils, we contribute towards the global warming and ozone layer depletion as well. So it's a green concept. So we highly recommend all machines to be coated first and then to be used in systems so that we prevent the gas leakages in the environment, we prevent the ozone layer depletion, we prevent the greenhouse effect. If you want to contact with us, you can visit our website www.oxycoats.com. Thank you.